Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency, transferring USDT from SunCrypto is a must-know skill, especially with the advancements coming in 2025. USDT, or Tether, is a stablecoin that maintains a one-to-one peg with the US dollar, making it perfect for quick and secure transactions. Today, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can do this confidently from your own device. First things first, make sure you have a SunCrypto account set up. If you don't, head over to their website and create one. It's straightforward and secure. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Wallet section. Here, you'll see all your assets, including your USDT balance. Next, select USDT from your list of holdings. You'll then need to choose the right network for the transfer. In 2025, SunCrypto supports multiple networks like Tron or Ethereum for USDT, so pick the one that matches your recipient's setup to avoid any issues with compatibility. Now, enter the recipient's wallet address. This is crucial. Double-check it to prevent sending your funds to the wrong place, which could mean permanent loss. Input the amount you want to transfer, and don't forget to review any transaction fees displayed. These fees can vary based on the network you choose, so keep an eye on them to minimize costs. Once everything looks good, hit the Confirm button. You'll get a confirmation prompt. Take a second to verify all the details one last time. After you approve, the transfer will be processed, and you can track its status in your transaction history. A quick tip: always use two-factor authentication for added security, especially in 2025 when crypto scams are more sophisticated. And remember, transfers are irreversible, so stay vigilant. There you have it. That's how you transfer USDT from SunCrypto in a few simple steps. It's easier than you think once you get the hang of it. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.